So Babe is deciding to be a man and put a desk together. If he doesn't break it first.
That was loud.
He's dropped it like 2-3 times already.
You know what? I don't want to hear it.
So that's from the lobsters. It usually has his shoes on it. Oh, look at that. Ain't that cute? Okay.
Okay.
Hold that one.
Now we shall put this together.
And better news. I'm not feeling good today, guys.
Did you say in better news I'm not feeling good?
Oh, yeah, I did say that, huh? That's not really better news then. Well, I mean, in other news, shall I say that doesn't have to do with the boring desk. I don't feel good. I've been having back pains and cramps and death. Just death. So, I am going to be doing this while he is doing that. Yeah.
It's going to lighten your dark.
Can I go with that person?
Like with a big, long, dark spot right here. I've always had that right over my eyes. What if we take this off for like 2 minutes? Your eyebrow.
Nah, it looks like I'm struggling. It's because I am.
Huh?
I'll show you guys here in the directions. It says here the screws are thread, blah, blah, blah. They may require some additional force the first few turns. That is some BS. It needs some additional force the whole time. So, I've only gotten 3 screws in so far, and it's been probably like 10 minutes. So, update on the desk. Yeah, that wasn't going to work out. So, we returned it, and I got another one. And and my dad just put it together. So here it is. Also got a phone case because I always drop this G thing. I drop it all the time. So let's see here. All right, sweet. It's a little big, but yeah, here we go. It's all right. Seems a little fat though. Like it seems like it added a lot of width to it, but it's all good.
Hey guys! I think I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. Hey guys! I had to get my mom's purse. We are at IKEA, where all the dreams come true.
That's what they're saying.
Well, it's where my saying is for right now, because all my dreams are about to come true. I'm shopping for a desk so that I can actually do real homework and get it really done. I mean, I do real homework, but I don't, you know what I mean. So, fake homework. So we're about to go shopping through IKEA. We'll try to take you guys on a little bit of our journey, but I might be too awestruck and still like wanting everything, so I might forget to film, but hopefully I don't. So, see you guys in there. So I officially want to introduce you guys to my mommy. Isn't she so cute? She's my mommy. I love her. Her name's Vicky. She's super nice. Look at how Alaska. This is where I get my hair from, y'all. This is where I get my hair from. But she's the bestest. Look at this kitchen. I want this to be my kitchen.
Where? I think so. polish drawers? I feel like.
Ooh, I want this kitten. I love the
No.
super quick. And that was cute. Because I was looking at the ones that were in a different kitchen, but they were like $20 for the big one. And he made him eat the pizza with the hair on it. Does she call that?
Babe.
Does she call that? Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Get it? What? Salt and pepper. That's what we is. You know it.
Table.
They're like, no. This still looks tiny.
Well, they'll just be shorter.
This one's only $79. This is the other dress that we saw, huh?
Yeah.
Same one?
There we go, another desk. Their closet stuff is tight though. Bro, this look like a Home Depot. Like, what are we supposed to do with all this?
Yeah.
This is where you would get the item that you want.
What are we supposed to do here? This is crazy. IKEA sells stuff weird.
The only thing that I saw IKEA was a fail. It was an epic fail. I did not find a desk. All their desks, like I said, are made for short people, and it was not good. I mean, IKEA as a place in general, it was really, really nice. They had a lot of stuff in there that would have been really great if I was like redoing my whole house or something. But
They got a nice kitchen stuff, and like not a nice dressers and bedroom stuff.
Yeah.
I was slurring my words.
a lot of nice bedroom stuff, a lot of nice kitchen
But as far
stuff.
like the beds, and sorry I cut you off, but like the beds and the desks were just like really short. And I'm 6'3", she's 5'7", so
it was not
really work.
It was not happening.
I mean, if you 5'3", then you probably get away with it. You probably get one of them.
okay, you probably good.
We're not trying to hate or nothing. It's just not for us.
Not for us. Like there was other people there, tons of other people, and almost everybody that was sitting at the desk looked like kids. So I was like, "Is this the kid section?" I kept thinking that I was in the kid desk section, and I wasn't. So today was a fail. We didn't buy anything at all. But I mean, another day. It is what it is. I'll find a desk. I'll find a desk eventually. I mean, it was a good experience. I didn't even have no meatballs. I really wanted to have some meatballs because I hear that their meatballs are good. Me and Mom both heard that their meatballs are good, but guess not. But yeah. So, it is what it is.
Alright guys, this will be the end of the vlog for today. We just left Olive Garden.
And
Got some leftovers. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm not used to doing this for some reason. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. This has been the Salt and Pepper Vlogs. I'll holler at you guys later.